Alright, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be putting up a kayak rack. As you might watch my last video, Anna got me my kayak and my Miata for my birthday. So, to get it out the garage on the floor, I bought a rack, or I guess a hoist I should say. I'm gonna put it on the ceiling right there to get it off the floor. So stay tuned. Car up there. That's what it's just getting that soft top to close. Couldn't get it closed, but now let me see. I'm gonna line the kayak up to where I think I want it on the roof, and then mark everything up. We'll unbox it and then mark everything up, and then get it going. Alright, so back, got the car out the way. Now, got this lag bolt. I'm gonna pre-drill my hole to make it a lot easier. So let's see, just line it up with the approximate size. But that should do it with a 1/4 inch drill bit. And where's my piece of wood? Oh. Oh. I also got a piece of wood. Basement. Alright, so I got the stud pre-drilled up top, and now I'm just gonna put my lag bolt, put the lag bolt through and then mount the board up. Alright, so I got the first bracket on. Now it's time for number 2 down there. Gotta figure out how to get this rope through these pulley systems. So I'm looking at the instructions now. And it's like put A through E through F, but skip B, D, C. So I'll be back when I figure that out. Alright, so I got the whole first pulley situated. So it's like you go through the bottom. I just walk up there real quick. Let me show you. So you walk it through the bottom, through this latch, up and over, around, and then put it through a hole and put a nice knot in it. And then it locks it when you put weight on it like that. So look, put weight on it, it automatically locks. Now I'm gonna put the cleat on the wall to hold the rope in. If I can find a piece. Oh wait, oops, camera, my bad. Alright, that's the finished product. Looks good. Everything's lined up. It does take some of my light out at the garage, but that really sucks, but it'll be alright. It's a lot better than being on the ground over there, so nice. And then I got it mounted to the wall over here. Let me just take the camera out of the mount. Alright, so I got it over here on the wall. Then got my support beam up, live boarded to the studs in the roof. And then now it's just hanging. Looks good. Thanks for watching.